My pet name is Wawa. Actually, a number of pet names irukku. Friends call me Paro, Par, P. Dream role, I have a lot of dream roles actually. I really can't say this is that one role. So I think the movie I'm going to do now is going to be one of my most exciting roles. Yes. By mom, dad. Worst punishment someone can give me is, one, not give me good food, because I'm crazy about food. I live to eat. So if I don't get food, I go mad. And another thing is, leave me alone. I always need company. I have to keep talking to someone. I think both of them go very, very hand in hand. Both depend on your attitude, your passion, your expressions. So for me, I don't see them as two different things. For me, modeling or when I do an ad is just like acting. Tamil or Malayalam, both for sure, because I like both for different reasons. Malayalam makes brilliant films. They have the best filmmakers, technically very good, and the best performances. Tamil industry is very, very special because it makes any actor or actress feel very, very special. The kind of respect and love that the Tamil audience and the industry gives is immense. So that's, I think, one of the reasons why everybody loves to work in Tamil. Both, but I think what looks the best on any Indian girl is Indian itself. Travel. One, gossip. See, whatever I would love to hear about myself, I want it all to be true. So if it's just a gossip and it's something I love, I'll be more disappointed that there is some story like this but it's not true. So yeah, there's nothing that I would want to hear and it shouldn't be true. My first love. I think my first love is a childhood sweetheart who probably I liked in my first, second, third standard. I think that's my first love. The often said lie, that I don't lie. I think that is the most often said lie. My addiction, love. One dream hero I would love to act with. In Tamil, I think I would love to act with somebody like Dhanush because he's a brilliant performer, and I would also love to act with somebody like Surya because he's got great charm on screen, and I would love to act with Ajit sir again because he's one of the most amazing people I've ever seen. So, in Malayalam, I think again there are a lot of brilliant actors. I really like Dulquer. I mean, there's something special about his screen presence. I love Fahad because he's a brilliant performer. So, the worst prank. During my first year college, I've ragged people in my batch saying I'm their senior, and there are people who cried, there are people who left college and never came back, and then that is when I was like, my god, did I do something extreme? So I've done a lot of crazy things like this, and I've been playing pranks on everyone all my life. Maybe right now half the things are pranky, whatever I'm trying to say. I think sometimes I realize I need more patience. Sometimes I realize I need to be more focused. When you say the word love, I think of my parents because they are the people I love the most. Peace, I think of sleep because that gives me a lot of peace. Happiness, food. Sadness, take the food away from me, I'll be sad. Give me a film with one of these actors I just said, that'll be luck for sure. Stardom. After I finish one of those films, I think definitely that'll reach stardom. One person I would never want to be left alone on an island with. There are a lot of people I wouldn't want to go to an island with. So I think it's better not to specify any names. I paint. I think that's one of my best, probably better talents than even all this. I write actually, though I haven't really done too much of it recently. I used to really write a lot. It was a very beautiful experience because I worked with people I really love and respect and who I've always admired since many years. And being a newcomer and working in that environment helped me learn a lot from all of them. And it was one of the most polished sets, and I could get a lot of advices. I learned a lot about everything. I had to be a little cruel or rude was, difficult as a person. As Parvati, it was difficult, and to get into the character and be rude, hold the hand so tight of that small girl. I mean, I personally loved that small girl, and we were very good friends. But then doing all that was the only tough part that I found when doing the film. Honestly speaking, I was stunned and stuck for a moment I was not able to speak. And the person who spoke first was him, so thankfully. So he's so much more charming probably in real. I mean, or I would say as good as he's on screen. Most people look very different on screen and, in real. But I was actually, I was just stuck for a moment. And then he was so sweet and so friendly and made me feel so comfortable the way he spoke to me that I was surprised that such a big star was so down to earth and so sweet. So my first day itself was very comfortable because of Ajit sir. I did watch it, but I didn't watch it in the beginning. I watched it probably a month after release, and I was sitting at the back. Honestly speaking, the reason why I sat behind and watched when I came to Chennai was I was really scared. All Ajit's fans beat me up if because of the rude things I'm doing and me trying to kill that kid and Ajit sir and everything. Which is why I never had the guts to sit with the audience and watch it. I didn't want anyone to see me. I was actually wearing a shawl and stuff and hiding my face. But actually speaking, end of the day, all my supporters today or anyone who supports me, the few people that I have are all Ajit sir fans. I bumped into Kamal sir a couple of months before the whole movie happened. I don't think he remembered it also when he cast it or later. And I actually went and clicked a picture with him and stuff when I saw him at AVM. And like a normal girl who went and click pictures. And 2 months later when I heard that I am casted for that movie, I was surprised. This is a very weird coincidence. The speciality of both these films are that I got to learn so much from Gautam sir, who's probably one of the directors I really love and appreciate the most, and Kamal sir. To play a teenager girl and so childish, there was nobody. People are like, that is you? So the whole body language came so easy because of Kamal sir. I'm just going to start shooting for a film called Pire Thediya Natkal, which my co-star is Ashok Selvan, and I just almost got done with a film called Enkita Modade, and both these films are from the same production itself, Eros International. Tamil romba nalla roles and movies vandittirukku, and ungaloda support and love enakku romba thevai. Thank you so much.